Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and mercari. And it has been a while since I have done a video. I have been trying since that hat haul that I bought about a month ago. I really have not bought anything else. I have been listing those hats, listings for my death pile, because I've been trying to be really good with the economy being kind of on the slow side and sales being on the slow side. I have been trying to work through what I already have instead of buying more. But next week, my husband is going in for a back fusion, and I will be off of work for that week, being home taking care of him. But I don't think I'll need to be with him 24/7, maybe for the first couple of days, and then just to be here for when he needs help. So I am trying to stock up on a few new things, or newer to me things, so that I will have them to list while I am here and have downtime. So I did go out and buy something. I was going to go out this weekend to the bins, but that's an hour there and an hour back, and I don't know what I'll get, and they've raised the prices now a little bit, and I wouldn't want to stay this time until I got over 100 pounds to make it really worth it. So I went onto Facebook and found a lot of clothes. If I can find the listings still on Facebook or find the pictures back in my messages, I will post some of them up above my head while we are talking to show you what I was looking at, why I bought it, and then me and my daughter went through the whole big giant garbage bag. Earlier, I pulled out everything that I'm not going to list, and then I'm just going to show you the things that are a possibility of listing, because a lot of these brands I don't know. She said her husband worked for a company that buys clothes for down east, so there are some of those types of brands that I don't normally sell, so I will do some research. I will look them up to see if they're worth it or not. I know for sure there's a few things in here that are worth it, which is why I bought the lot, and we'll just kind of go from there. So I did pay $50 for the whole bag. She did do really good on posting pictures, and you'll see when I post them or show them above here. She laid everything out so you could see it. Most of the ones I see on Facebook, they just show a bag of garbage with clothes in it and then say, hey, $50, $30 for this whole bag of clothes. But they don't tell you anything about what's in there, right? No brands, no, they might tell you the size. And that's about it. And so I'm not buying those. So without further ado, I don't like to talk a whole lot because I am trying to do this on my phone because my phone has better quality than my tablet. And let's see, am I still recording? Okay, so I got a notification and it blocked it. Sorry. So I'm going to try and make this kind of short and fast because my phone does not have a lot of storage space on it anymore. And so a lot of times it will cut through my video, or when I'm in my video doing it, it will just stop recording. So we are going to just start and show you. So this is a Royal Robbins. I know I've heard of the brand before. This is just a very plain shirt. I don't know if I will list that or not. I will look up comps and see if I can list something for, $10 to $15 or more. I will list it. If not, I will just donate it because I have a whole pile here of stuff to donate. Most of the stuff that was in here was all good. I have not seen really anything with any stains. There's one thing we saw with stains. And so the things that are over there are mainly stuff that she bought that is either fast fashion, that don't have any brand, or Walmart brand stuff, or Amazon essentials, things like that. I did throw over there because I'm not going to sell or take my time to list those. This is a new brand to me, Flying Monkey. It is a pair of button fly black denim jeans with some I don't know if this is fraying or if this is purposely distressed. It almost looks like it's purposely distressed because it's on both of them the exact same way. So distressed hem, button fly, black jeans. This is a pair of Miss Me, which does not do as good as it used to, but this one does have some pretty blingy pockets. All the stones seem to be there. They are a size 31. There's like a Bermuda short. So I don't know how well Miss Me does anymore because I don't normally find it. So I will have to look up how those are doing. Let's see, what was this? Was this Maurice's? Yeah, she did have a few Maurice's, which I love Maurice's brand. If these were my size, I would probably keep them. But it's just a 24/7 shirt. It's like almost like a tunic, maybe, because it's longer in the back than it is in the front. Just a nice pink polka dot. There were several of those in there. I think the same size, so I may lot them. Also, tell me if you think this is a good idea. So she has a lot of t-shirts in here that really aren't branded t-shirts. They're just cute little t-shirts, right? So this one is just next level. And it's just cute. It is from something here in Utah that they do called, what was it? Utah Vision Day. So this is from 2019, Utah Vision Day. There's another one in there from 2020, but it wasn't as cool looking as this one. So there is several t-shirts in here, and I thought about lotting the t-shirts up together because they're just women's. They're all the same size. And just seeing how they do. Maybe put them on auction or, you know, $20 or something. I don't know. This is called Covington. It's a size small. It's, I guess, kind of cute. I don't know. Not really my style, but somebody might like it. Again, that's a brand I don't know, so I will have to look it up. There were 3 LuLaRoe. And LuLaRoe does not do very well, but this is another. It's a shirt, again, longer in the back than in the front. And there were several of these, again, all the same size, so I may just do a lot of LuLaRoe because they're all the same size. They're all the same style. So, like, this is another one. Again, you know, in the low or longer in the back, kind of, you know, cute, whatever. I thought about maybe just lotting the 3 of those that I have up and going that route. This is a brand called Basic Edition. I know I've heard of it before, but I have no idea where it's sold or if it's worth it. If it's not worth it, I will just donate that one. Let's see. This is another brand that I've heard before, but I really don't know if it does very well. It's called Emberly. And this is just a cute little... Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh, no. That's not a tear. Okay. I thought that was a hole. It's just like a cute, like, sweater dress. Long sleeve, but just is the perfect time to list something like that. So if the brand is decent, I will sell that. This is a brand I have not heard of before. I think it might be MB or Mess BB. So it's just a cute little, sort of like a cropped tee with a thing there at the side, like a little knot. This is one of those t-shirts. Oh no, this is pajama pants. Miss Snow-It-All. And the brand is just Jolly Jammies. Again, know nothing about that. May not sell that. May sell it. Don't know. If you guys know anything about any of these brands, let me know. Even if they are definitely not good, not worth selling, let me know. This is another one of hers. It's just like dogs and cats. Or no, is it dogs and cats or just cats? Looks like it's just cats in the shape of sushi rolls. And again, it is just a size large, right? Yep, size large. Just a cute, weird t-shirt. So again, it's one of the things I might just lot them up. See what they do. This is, there's a Down East, extra large. They're just like a wide leg, culotte sort of pant, short thing. So we'll see. I'll save the better items for last. This is a t-shirt. It just says, oh yeah, it's the Beatles. Another one that might just get thrown in there. Just the Beatles. It's a newer, updated version or shirt. It's not old or anything like that. So not vintage. This is another one. Certified Christmas Light Installer Manager or something like that. Kind of just nice Christmas, which is coming up. So that's another one that might go in there. Let's see, what is this? This is another brand that I have not heard of. I didn't know it was in here, so I will have to look it up. I don't know if that's what I'm saying it right, but Vervet. This is just a pair of shorts, distressed. Let's see, called the biker short, size medium. So that is something I do not know if it's any good or not. Another one that I've never heard of. I think this might be kind of like more like a fast fashion, but with a thing, but I'm not sure. So I will research that. That's the brand. It is new at tag. And it's just a cute little shirt. The sleeves here on the side are sheer. let's see, this is kind of an impromptu video. I wasn't planning on making a video tonight, but I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to get it over with. This I think is a brand, but I'm not sure. Called Rubber Band Stretch. Just a pair of jeans in good condition. They're skinny jeans. See, I don't know if it says what size they are. They probably just already have size 28. Get the jeans in the same pile. Oh, about the sneeze. Oh, honey, I am that mom. So, again, just a nice, cute t-shirt. Here's another brand, of course, that I have not heard of before. It's called One the Land. I don't know. I may be saying that completely wrong. So if I'm saying that wrong, please let me know how it's pronounced or whatnot. But it's just a nice long sleeve sweater, which again, the season is coming up. Here is a pair of Can, which these used to do really good. They don't do as well anymore, but they are Can. I think a size 5. Just a little bit of a distressed Bermuda short for women. I know the jeans do very well in Can. I do not know how the shorts do. Here's another pair of shorts. They are new at tag. So I will still list them now, even though we're getting into winter. So I do list everything all year round. Let's see these. This is another Down East. It's just a really cute skirt. Oh, whoopsies. I may still sell it, I may not sell it, but it looks like it was taken in a little bit, like somebody hemmed it a little bit, the waist. So depending on their skirts, if they do really well, then I may just mention it and put in measurements. If they don't do very well, then I will just donate. This is another Down East, just a normal t-shirt. So again, I will just have to do my research to see if these are worth it. This is kind of just another funky t-shirt. Faith, or is it Faith? No, Faith Over Fear. It's kind of cute. I like that. If it was my size, I'd probably keep it. Actually, it might fit me, so I may keep it. Well, no. We'll see. This is a set of pajamas. It is just Disney, but it's Amazon Essentials Disney. So I will just have to look it up. But Nightmare Before Christmas is popular, and we're coming up to the Christmas season. And it has the matching pants that go with it. So I may see how these do and sell them. Okay, trying to rush through. Another one of the t-shirts. Find joy in the little things, which is cute. Those shirts are definitely more my size. I like bigger shirts. I like my shirts to be bigger. This one's called Mama Gnome. I don't know why, but all the women at my work are all into gnomes. Like, they have all their stuff decorated in gnomes. I don't know why. This is Maurice's. It is new at tags. It is a Christmas t-shirt, so I may list this one by itself. But if you guys know the movie, you know the movie. This does not have a brand on it, but I like it because it's coming up to Halloween time, and that might work. It has this in here, but it's really faded. There's no way to read that. But, I mean, it had a brand at one point. I just don't know what it is now. This is a brand I have not heard of called My Story. And it is just a cute top with some, like, Aztec sleeves. And it's very fall colors. So, that may be good. This is the third LuLaRoe piece. Like I said, trying to go through this fast, y'all, so my phone does not cut out on me. Another Down East dress, kind of like a sweater. Not really sweater, but like a shirt dress, sweater dress. Let's see, this brand is a little bit different also. It's called 22nd. And it's just a cute striped, longer top. this is a 24/7 Maurice's. I believe it's a size medium or large. Those Maurice's is actually my favorite brand to wear for myself, but it doesn't do very well resale. This brand is called Be Cool, and it's just a button-up woman's flannel shirt. And now we got to the pants. This is down east, but it is like a pair of I don't know if it's pajamas. I don't know. It feels like a sweater. Like the material is like you're wearing a sweater, but it's their pants with that there, the drawstring. But my brain would work. Let's see. This is Mido Shop. I don't know if I'll be able to pick that up there. It's kind of small. Mido Shop, and it is just a very distressed pair of shorts. This brand I have heard of before. I don't know if it does very well anymore or not, but it's called 7, and it's a size 8, and it is a pair of jeans, but I just realized that, no, is it? It almost looks like there's kind of like a hole right there that I can kind of see through, but not really, so I don't know. And otherwise, they're in really good condition. And the last two items that were the best were these brand new tag jeans. And this again is Love Our Vet, or whatever, by that other brand that I didn't know, by Vervet. And it is the high-rise kick flare new tags jeans, and they are a size, does it say? Sure, it says somewhere. Where is it? Size 28. And then the last one is a pair of Flying Monkey, but brand new tag. Retail for $67 is what I think it says. A little bit of distressed hem a little bit. These were going online for between $30 and $60 for new ones. So I'm gonna see. Okay, we're just gonna wrap this up real quick because my legs is falling asleep. So that was everything. I will count up later, maybe at the end, put up what my price of goods will be if I sell everything on here. And so, yeah, we'll see if I can do that or not. I don't know how long it'll be before I make another video. I am going to try to go shopping again at an actual thrift store on Saturday. If I get a decent amount of stuff from that, I may do another video on that next week. And then I may do something else later in the week. I don't know yet. Like I said, since I do this part-time, and I have my family and my job, and I'm trying to list things and ship things out, YouTube is the last thing that I do. This is just for me, for fun. It would be great if it was monetized eventually, but if it never comes monetized, I guess I'm okay with that. This is just for me, for fun, for me to connect with other resellers. So if you are a reseller and you watch my video, please say hi. I would love to know which one of you guys are resellers and kind of like get your opinions on some of these items. And yeah, so if you like this kind of content, if you like to see what other resellers are selling, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And welcome to my couple of new subscribers. And if you are back, welcome back. I appreciate all of you here and watching. And I'm going to get back to my night, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.